So hi, all. This is Gautam, Workplace Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So today we are going to see about the topic which is Engineering Graphics Introduction. So here let's see one by one. So here's the what is the tables which we should contains in our drawing projects. 10 millimeter, 10 mm, which is nothing but 1 centimeter. We should convert. Next 10 centimeters equals to 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then followed by 10 meters equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters equal to 1 hectometer. Then 1 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Then one hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. This is some tables we should convert it to 1 centimeter to 10 centimeter like this, because we are using scale. In that scale where they are mentioned as a centimeter units, right? So we should convert it into centimeter to millimeter. Like this, we have to follow this table. Then here, which is nothing but engineering drawing. What is meant by engineering drawing? First we should know what is meant by engineering drawing, which is nothing but clearly define the communication of design a part of components are viewed to the another person. Likewise, it's a universal language for all the engineers, not only engineers. Everybody, we are going to another country, or where we go, the common language is not in English, it is drawing. Okay, then followed by the ability of redrawing is the most important requirement of all technical people, including our professions and industrial professions. Okay, next one is some engineering instruments and aids we should use it for the particular drawing and identifying. First one is drawing board, we should identify that. Then drawing box and drafter, then protractor, set of scales, curves, pencils, and etc. of the templates. So this is the some I have shown some represent for your knowledge. This is a drawing sheet and drawing board. Then this is shown here. This is a drafter. How to use drafter, like a vertical place and parallel place. How to drawing the horizontal place and vertical place, etc. Then this is some instrumentation box. As I mentioned earlier, we should draw using some pencils and combination of compass and protectors and drivers and parts of all components. And here is the mentioned set square. We have already well known about the set square and compass and protector, etc. Drawing, we should angles between 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, etc. Whatever it may be, we should protract them and use the set square appropriate angle to appropriate plots. These are some clips and how to fit the clips and how to follow the steps, some glimpses of here. So here's some technical tools like a compass, as I mentioned earlier, scales, protector, etc. So this is a major part in the drawing. How to use the pencil? We should draw by using pencil only. We have already well known about this. But how to draw, and what pencil for what diagram, and what pencil for what particular parts. First one is hard, second one is medium, third one is soft. In hard there is a 9H pencil, 2H pencil. H is nothing but hard. 9H, 8H, 7H, 4H, 6H, etc. In that hard pencil there leads for used for a construction lines and technical drawings. Next one is medium. Medium is nothing but 2H, 2 hard, 3 hard, H, like that. The medium grades are used for general use or technical drawing. The hardness of drawing, which is instruction the drawing and the software of the sketching. Next one is soft drawing, by using soft pencil, which is nothing but 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, etc. Here is the soft pencil, which is nothing but soft leads used for the technical sketching and artwork, but are too soft for instrumentation drawing. So this is the three difference between how to use the pencil and where we use the pencil and what purpose we use the pencil, right? Then followed by next one. As I mentioned earlier, the pencil difference between what the two gets and what the H and what will two B and etc. As I mentioned in the previous slide. So here are some dimensions I have shown here for a drawing sheet. Then followed by this is a drawing sheet for overall drawing space and how to draw the title box, etc. The title block, let's see in the next slide. This is a title block for drawing. How our drawing will be represented. This is the title block for college name and drawing sheet name, that followed by the symbols and drawing number, then followed by identification for your project, which is nothing but your name, your semester, and the enrollment number scale. This is overall title block, as I mentioned in the earlier slide. Though this the next one is what is meant by lines.